gonna go to the grocery store? Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking now. I would totally buy those shoes. They're so cute. Charlie, look! There's a bear! Look out the window! Well, there you had a couple of examples of what distracted driving looks like, because it is Distracted Driving Awareness Month. This is a good time to reflect on the importance of staying focused while you're driving. So a few statistics. In 2023, distracted driving led to more than 3,500 deaths and well over 360,000 injuries in the U.S. Our biggest culprit is our modern day technology: cell phones, tech watches, heart rate monitors, whatever you have. Just recently, Colorado instated a hands-free phone law while driving, so no texting, no Facebooking, etc. Every state in the U.S., except one, has some kind of state law mandating a hands-free phone use or no texting while driving, which poses the question, what's going on there, Montana? So what's diverting your attention and when your eyes should be on the road? Well, there are three things that they kind of put it into different categories. Number one are visual distractions. Anything that takes your eyes off the road, like your phone. So unless you're in Montana, you're breaking the law. Check your GPS and your Spotify list well before you put your car into drive. Number two is manual distractions. Anything that takes your hands off the wheel. So eating, drinking, adjusting the radio or climate controls, reaching for bear spray. All those things can be dangerous. Number three are cognitive distractions. So anything that takes your mind off the driving. So daydreaming, being lost in thought, and most scary is just being really tired while you're driving. So how are we going to combat distracted driving? Easy. Number one, put the phone away. In fact, a lot of phones these days have a "can't answer right now, I'm driving." So pull over if you need to make the important call. It can wait until you're actually someplace safe. Two, set your GPS before you start driving. Program that map, get your playlist going before you put the car in drive. Number three is to avoid multitasking. Focus solely on driving. Eating, drinking, applying makeup, all these things are dangerous. So an interesting fact, I was driving home from Vail in a snowstorm after a ski weekend, and we were in gridlock traffic. The lady next to me was full on reading a book while driving to her kids. So not safe. I probably should have checked if she had Montana plates. And lastly, let's educate our passengers. I mean, this may seem obvious, but is a really good lesson. I actually asked my 9-year-old one time, what keeps cars on their side of the road that prevents crashes from happening? And her response was the painted lines on the road. Now, sure, these lines are a guide, but it's just paint at the end of the day. The fact is we are all blindly relying that the drivers around us are educated, they're aware, and they're safe in their decision making when it comes to being a responsible driver. So does applying lipstick in the rearview mirror while you're transporting yourself in a 2-ton steel death machine the size of an elephant, does that make any sense? And the answer is no. So stay safe, everybody.